Today I'm going to show you how to make a random respawn area where the objects that you want to respawn in an area, and that area can change randomly on a specific timer. What I'm going to do is create a part. I'm going to make this part the same size as the object that I want to, at least the same height, so they're on the ground. The next thing I'm going to do is designate where I want my random spots to be. So the next thing I'm going to do is rename these all to range 1, range 2, and then range 3. Now in replicated storage, I'm going to create a new folder, and we are going to call this folder coin spawn ranges, and then we're going to take all our ranges and we're going to put them into replicated storage. So the next thing I'm going to do is scroll all the way down to server script service. I'm going to insert a new script, there we go, and we're going to call this script coin spawner. Now there's quite a bit of coding for this project. I do have all the scripts in the description below. So the first thing we're going to type out is local replicated storage equals game :get service replicated storage. Next we'll type local coin equals replicated storage find first child coin. We'll type local coin spawn ranges equals replicated storage find first child coin spawn ranges. Next we'll type wait, and then we'll type local coin range part equals coin spawn ranges find first child range. Then we'll put script parent random spawn area random spawn num value. It doesn't make sense right now, but in a little bit we're going to create a script that has value in there. Next we'll type local coin range part POS equals coin range part position. Next we are going to create our variables. These are all able to be changed, whether you want to do it through a script or just edit it on your own. So first thing we'll type is local range equals 25. So this is the max distance from the range part that a coin can spawn. Local coin limit equals 20. This is the maximum amount of coins that can spawn. Local start num, this is the number of coins that will spawn initially. Local spawn time equals 0.1. This will be the time between each coin spawning. And then local start respawn delay equals 2. So it takes 2 seconds for the coins to start spawning on game start. Next thing will be local spawned coins folder equals instance.new folder. Then we'll type spawned coins folder parent equals game workspace, and spawned coins folder name equals spawned coins storage. Next we'll type for I equals 1 start num do local coin clone equals coin clone parentheses. We'll type coin clone parent equals spawned coins folder. Next we'll type local pos x equals math random negative range and positive range. And we'll type local pos z equals math random negative range and positive range. And we'll type coin clone dot position equals vector 3 dot new coin range part pos dot x plus pos x, and we'll do coin coin range part pos dot y, and we'll do coin range part dot z plus pos z. And we'll type wait, and then we'll scroll down. Now we'll type wait start respawn delay, and then we'll type while true do wait spawn time, and then local coin range part equals coin spawn ranges colon find first child, and then we're looking for range dot dot script dot parent dot random spawn area dot random spawn num dot value. Local coin range part pos equals coin range part dot position. I'll type local spawned coin store equals game dot workspace colon find first child spawned coins storage. There you go. So then we'll type if game dot workspace colon find first child spawned coins storage, then if number spawned coins store colon get children, then we'll type coin is less than the coin limit, then local coin clone equals coin colon clone coin clone dot parent equals game dot workspace colon find first child spawned coins storage, then local pos x equals math dot random, then we'll do negative range positive range local pos z equals math dot random negative range positive range, then coin clone dot position equals vector 3 dot new coin range part pos dot x plus pos x coin range part pos dot y, and coin range part pos dot z plus pos z, and we will wait. And then we are all done with our coin spawner script. So we can head on out of that, and then we are going to insert another script into the server script service. So insert object script, there we go. And we are going to name this one random spawn area. And in the random spawn area, we are going to insert an object, and that's going to be our inc value. And this will be our random spawn num. We're just not going to mess with this at all. Type script dot random spawn num dot value equals 1. Then we'll define everything. So local seconds to spawn change equals 5, and this is the amount of of time it takes for a spawn to change, then local delay between coin spawns equals 1. So this is the time it takes from when the spawn changes to when coins will start spawning. Next, we'll type local replicated storage equals game :get service, and then we'll type replicated storage, and we'll type a local coin spawn range folder equals replicated storage :find first child, and then we're coin spawn ranges. Next we'll type local spawn range num equals number sign coin spawn range folder :get children. Next we'll type local previous spawn equals 0, and then local first run equals true. Then we will type while true do wait seconds to spawn change. If first run equals true, then previous spawn equals 1, first run equals false. Then we'll type local random spawn equals math dot random 1, and then spawn range num. We'll type while random spawn equals previous spawn do random spawn equals math dot random 1 spawn range num and wait. Next we'll type local coin storage equals game dot workspace :find first child spawned coins storage coin storage :destroy. We'll type wait delay between coin spawns local spawned coins folder equals instance dot new folder spawned coins folder dot parent equals game dot workspace spawned coins folder dot name equals spawned coins storage. And then our last two lines of code, so script random spawn num dot value equals random spawn, and then previous spawn equals random spawn. All right, we are all set. So then what we can do is hop back over to our game. We'll press play, and as we'll see, our coins will start to spawn. They're spawning in the middle, but then they'll go to another random location, and then after a little bit, they'll make their way to another location. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to leave a like and maybe subscribe. If you have any tutorial ideas, please let me know in the comments below.